Welcome to this channel. This is Emergency. In this video, we're going to be discussing about how to identify a real order block. I've watched a lot of videos online how to identify order block in the market, and then I see many creators, successful traders, they did a lot of videos teaching different kind of concepts on how to identify a real order block. But in this video, we're going to know the reason why price have to come back to those order block, and then the order block that price is going to respect, not just because it's a last bearish candle or a last bullish candle. Some traders said if price end up breaking a structure, that price is going to return back to the order block. You can see it right now that price did not respect the order block. And then some traders said if price creates a fair value gap, that price is going to respect the order block. You can see right now that price did not respect any order block here. And also some traders said price is going to respect unmitigated demand order block. You can see right now that price does not respect any demand order block right now. And also if it's some trader talk supply order block, you can see we have a supply zone here, and also price end up creating what another supply zone. So we have a new supply zone here, and then you can see that price eventually end up breaking all the supply zone at once. Price does not respect any of them. Can you see it? Can you see it now? That does not mean like every single order block after a share value gap, or order block after a break of structure, or order block in the area of supply and demand zone is not working. They are all working, you understand? But you have to understand the reorder block, the one that is going to work, and then the one that is not going to work. So that is the reason why I made this video, to know the perfect order block, the reorder block in the market. Before you go into the video, you're going to discuss about order block, the definition, and then the two types of order block we have in the market. What is order block? Order blocks are candles where market makers, banks, has placed their position. Generally, markets return to those candles and they are never violated if truly they are reorder block. So this definition is correct, but we have to understand the one that price is going to eventually return back to, because it's not every single order block that price respects. And then we have two types of order block. We have bullish order block and also bearish order block. What is bullish order block? The bullish order block is the last bearish candle before the bullish movement that break the market structure higher. So the bullish order block is the last bearish candle. According to the definition, it does not mean like every single last bearish candle is what a bullish order block. We have to understand the one that price is going to respect, and then the one that price is not going to respect. That does not mean that every single time we have a break of structure in the market, that price is going to respect the last bearish order block. Sometimes you might have two or more last bearish order block in the market, so you don't know the one that price is probably going to respect. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the one that price is going to likely going to respect. And then when you talk about bearish order block, what is bearish order block? A bearish order block is the last bullish candle before the bearish movement that break the market structure lower. So inside this bearish order block, we can have like a bullish candle, two or more also, and then we don't know the one that price is going to respect, and then we don't know baby price is going to respect that particular order block. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys and showing you on real chart how to identify a real order block. Notice, if candle really matters in order block, it's going to be wrong for us to neglect other candles or structure when trading order block. I will show you what I mean by that on chart right now. I'll be explaining how to identify the real order block using 4 different pairs, which are EURUSD, USDJPY, cable, which is pounds USD, and also on gold. If the pair you're trading is not part of the pair I mentioned, you can comment in the comment section. Let me know the name of the pair. The most important thing is for you to identify how to know a real order block. So you can trade it in any pair you want, and then it's work in all pairs, you understand? So that's just for that. So let's just go to the first video right now on EURUSD. So this is EURUSD right now. Let me just give you 2 simple patterns on how to identify a real order block. So let me just draw a pattern here. If price is going what's on the bearish direction, let's assume that price is going what's on the bearish direction right now. And then we are going to be seeing structure like this forming in the market. So let's just assume something like this happen in the market, and then price eventually end up breaking this particular high. Can you see? We have what? A break of structure here. So this is where a break of structure occur. We have a break of structure here, and then so we have break of structure here. So which order block are you going to use for this particular trade? We have 2 order blocks. Say we have one order block is going to be here, and then another order block is going to be below it. So don't use the order block that is going to be here. Use the order block below it, because this order block is not a strong order block. I'm going to give you the reason why it's not a strong order block. because this order block end up breaking one single high. So this order block is not a real order block, so you're going to like to be making use of the order block below it if this is actually what a break of structure, you understand. So price is going to like to take this low as a liquidity. Every single time you see that price end up breaking one particular high, you check if that particular moment end up breaking too high. So if the moment did not break any high, so you are not going to like to use the order block that broke that high, you're going to like to be using the order block below it. I'm still going to like to give you guys example on real chart, so let me just give you the second one. So the second is just like if price end up breaking two level at the same time. So if price end up breaking two level at the same time, let me share from here. So you have what another break of structure here. So if price end up breaking two level at the same time, you're going to like to make use of this particular order block here. So this is going to be what a strong order block. So you're not going to like to be using the order block below it, so you're going to like to be using the order block above it that broke these two particular high, you understand. So that is how to identify a real order block. So let me just delete this and then show you guys on chart. So let me delete all this. So if you check our market right now, you can see that price end up going what on a bullish direction. So what I said earlier, if price end up break one particular high, don't trust the high. Can you see that we have what a break of structure here? We have a break of structure here. This is our BOS. So you can see that price is forming what let me draw from here. We have a lower low, then higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, and then another higher low. Then we have what a break of structure here. If you have to, let me just delete this and then explain. If you have to like to see this moment end up breaking how many lows? Only this particular low. So this is not what a real order block. This order block here is not a real order block. You're going to like to be using the order block above it. So the order block you're going to like to be using is going to be the one above this particular order block. Can you see that price eventually come back to this area and then retest it? You can see that price also retest this area. Let me show you guys something. Let me delete this first. Let me show you guys something on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. So if you check 1 hour time frame right now, you can see that we have what a break of structure. It's still the same moment. This moment end up breaking what one particular low. Can you see this moment from this high to this low? It end up breaking one particular low. And then if you have to like to check it, so let me delete this. You have to like to check it. What's the order block responsible for this break? Is this particular order block. Can you see this particular order block? You can see that eventually price go above it and then respect the order block above it. So let me just delete this and then show you that one. So this is the high, and then you can see that price end up going above it here. So every single time you see that price end up breaking one particular low, don't use the order block, use the order block above it. You can see that price end up breaking this particular high and then this particular order block and then respect this order block above it. That is the reason why you're going to see sometimes some traders say price end up hitting my stop loss and then going to my direction, because they are using the wrong order block to enter into the market. So that's just for that. So let me just delete this and then explain another thing then. Explain the second pattern. So let me delete this. So if you have to like to go back to our time frame, let me show you guys something. So on our time frame, the reason why price out to like to return back to this area is just because on our time frame, this break of structure here, you are saying what actually broke it is this particular high. So this break of structure, I've deleted it. Let me add it back. What actually broke this particular low is this particular high. So price not going to respect this. Price going to respect the order block above it, and then you can see that price eventually come to this particular order block and then respect it, and then price is what's going on the bearish direction. So let me show you guys something here. So you can see that this moment here from this high to this low, it end up breaking two particular lows. Is the moment that broke this low. We have is the moment that broke this low, and also is the same moment that broke this particular low. So this order block here is a strong order block. So you're not going to like to make use of the order block above you. So you're going to like to make use of this order block directly. So it's advising for you like to set what's your entry. Set your entry and then set your stop loss here. And then if you want to set your take profit, you can check the market. It all depends, because price eventually is taking what's liquidity right now, and then we have what's a break of structure. You can actually set your take profits using this particular area here. Your take profits can use this particular area. Let me show you the red color. So this is the last liquidity. Price can eventually respect this area, because you don't know, maybe on higher time frame price going what's on a bullish trend. So if price going on a bullish trend on higher time frame, there's not any need for price to break this particular low. But if price is still going what's on a bearish direction on higher time frame, price can eventually break this particular low. So for the sake of this lesson, I'm going to like to be using this particular low as what our TP. So you can set what's your TP here. So let's just set our TP here. So let me just play it out and then see what's happening. So that is just it. It's so simple. That is just how to identify a real order block. You can see the price eventually tap into what our order block, and then price start going what's on the bearish direction. So it may a little bit to hit our take profit. You can see the price eventually hits what our take profit. Can you see? And then price change direction immediately. So price gets our take profit. So this 1:24. Just imagine you risk 1% of your account into this trade, and then you are making 24% in return in just one single move. You can see this 1:24. Just imagine you risk 1% of your account into this trade, and then you are making 24% in return. Just identifying a real order block, and then know how to get into the market, set your entry and your take profit. So if you are yet to like this video right now, and then let us go to the next pair. So this USDJPY, and then we're on daily time frame right now. So let me just show you guys something here, and then how to identify a real order block. So if you check this particular area, you can see that price end up breaking this particular candle and also this particular high. You can argue that this particular candle is not a high, but let me tell you guys something. Price is so precise. Every single candle, either bullish or bearish candle, has a reason why it ends that way. We call this candle another block because it's the last bearish candle that broke two major high or two same bullish candle. So that is just for that. So we have to consider every single candle that formed in the market. So you can see that price end up breaking this particular high and also this particular high here. So let me just draw out this candle. Let me draw it out as what our real order block. So you'll be expecting price to return back to this particular order block, and then you'll be expecting price to return back to this order block. After that, price to start going was on a bullish trend. So let's just play it out and then see if price respect this particular order block or not. So let me just play it, and then you can see that price tap into this particular order block. So let's just go to lower time frame because this is a daily time frame. I personally can't enter into this particular trade. I have to go to lower time frame to redefine my entry because this order block is very big for me. So let's just go to like 2 hour time frame right now. So 2 hour time frame, let me try to reduce our order block. So if you have to like to check 2 hour order block right now, you can see that price end up, can you see what up here? You can see that price end up breaking this particular high and also this particular high. So this is what a strong order block. You're going to like to draw it out. If you draw it out here, you can see that price eventually come into this particular order block to respect it. Let me reduce this. This is too big. Let me reduce this. So on 2 hour time frame right now, you can see that price eventually come back to this particular order block. And then how do you know that this order block is a strong order block? Because it's end up breaking this particular high. Can you see we have what? A break of structure here. You have a break of structure here, and then it also broke this particular high at the same time. Can you see? So this is what a strong order block. So you're going to like to make use of this particular order block. But if you go to like this lower time frame, I can decide to reduce my entry by going to lower time frame. Let's just check like 30 minutes. 30 minutes time frame. Let me see, maybe I'm going to see a break of structure here. No. Let me check 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. No. Let me check 5 minutes time frame. Let me just check. So the reason I'm going down to lower time frame just for me to increase my risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to like to be expecting the same thing that happen in this area. Price end up breaking to level retest on particular order block. So also happen when price tap into what's my order block. So I did a video on top down analysis. You can watch the video. I'm going to leave the video link in the description. So after this video, you can just check it out on how to analyze your trade from daily time frame to lower time frame, and then get your entry on lower time frame, just like to increase your risk to reward ratio. So let's just check right now on 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes time frame, you can see price end up, can you see price end up breaking this particular high and also this high. We have what? A break of structure here too. You have a break of structure here. You can see that price end up breaking this particular high and also this particular high. Can you see these two different candle? Price end up breaking it, and then this order block is what? A real order block. So you're going to like to make use of this particular order block. So this is what? A real order block. And then if you have to like to check it, you have what? Fair value gap inside it. So this area right now is what? A fair value gap. With this two break, you can know that price is going to respect this particular fair value gap. So let's just make use of this area and then this particular order block. Let me just draw it very well. So you can make use of this particular order block here. So let's just wait for price to tap into it. You can eventually set what entry. Let me just set entry just like to see how many ratio you're able to like to get from this particular trade. So let me just play it out and then to see how it goes. Let me increase the speed. 10s. I'm sorry, I didn't set our take profit. So let's just find a place to set our take profit. Let's go back to like our 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, or let's go back to like daily time frame. Daily time frame, that's where you start from. Daily time frame. So daily time frame, you can set our take profits using which area. You can set our take profits using this particular eye here. Can you see this particular eye? You can set what's your take profit using this particular eye. The reason why you're going to use this particular eye is because it's a liquidity. This moment end up breaking only this particular low. Can you see it's end up breaking only this particular low? So we be assured that price is going to go above this particular high. So that's where we're going to set what our take profit. So let's go down to like 15 minutes back. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and then let's move our take profits here. Here. So at the end of the day, you can see price eventually tap into our entry. Let's just play it. Let me play it out. Price tap into what you can see that price tap into our entry in this area, in this place, and then price start going what on a bullish trend. Let me just go down. Let's go to 1 hour time frame so it can be fast. 1 hour time frame, then let me play it out. Let's go down to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So on 4 hour time frame right now, let me play it out. Price is going down. Perfect. Consider price end up tapping into what our take profit. Can you see? So at the end of the day, you can see the risk to reward ratio is 1:23. Just imagine you risk 1% of your account into this trade and then making 23% a return. So that's just for that. If you're yet to like this video, like it right now, and then if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel. So let's just move to the next currency pair. This pounds USD right now, and then we're on daily time frame. After this, you're going on to gold. So make sure you don't miss gold as paired. So if you check this market right now, you can see that our price end up breaking structure here. We have what a break of structure here. And so that price was doing what's on a bearish direction before. Let me just draw this one. So we have a break of structure here, and then if you see that price is going what's on a bearish direction, so sorry, we have what a break of structure here. So our waist response for this break of structure, you can see this particular candle end up what in a bearish candle. If you check it very well. So every single candle that happens in the market that occur or price end with, it has a reason why. You can see that this candle right now, it end up in what? In a bearish candle. So this order block is not what a strong order block because it end up breaking one particular high. It's not the moment that end up breaking this particular high also. Can you see? So you're going to like to make use of the order block below it. So this is the order block you're going to like to make use of. So let's just go down to like 2 hour time frame right now, and then but before that, so we're going to set our take profit. So we're going to set our take profits here. So just leave the market early and then find another particular entry. So that's just for that. So let's just go down to 2 hour time frame. So on 2 hour time frame right now, you can see price end up breaking this particular high. So where's the moment that broke this high? Is this particular moment. So this would not break this particular high also. It's not the moment that broke this particular high. It's only break this high here. So this low right now is not what a strong order block. You're going to like to make use of the order block below it. I mean, this order block is not what a real order block or a strong order block. So you're going to like to make use of the order block below it. So on top of time right now, you're going to like to make use of this particular order block. So let's just play it out and then see how the price goes. So price is here to tap into our entry. Okay. So you can see that price end up tapping into what our particular entry. So normally I can't enter into the trade. I can't enter into this trade using this particular order block because this order block is too big for me. I have to go down to lower time frame to increase my risk to reward ratio. So if you have to check, you can see that price going what on a bearish direction. We have higher low here, and then we have lower low. Then another higher low. Then we have lower low. then another higher low, then we have what, lower low. So I'll be waiting for price to break this particular high. So once price break this high, I'm going to like to look for a strong order block to enter into the market, because this 2-hour order block is too big for me. So let me just play it out. We are expecting what, a break of structure here also. So once you see a break of structure, we'll find out the real order block, the strong order block that is responsible for that break of structure. So let me just play it out. So right now you can see that we have what, a break of structure. Price end up breaking this structure. What actually broke this particular high is this particular low. Did this moment end up breaking this particular high, this next side? No, it only broke this high. So you are not going to like to make use of this order block. You are going to like to make use of order block below it. So you are going to draw this particular order block. Even at this point, this order block is too big for me, so I have to go down to like, let's just check 30 minutes time frame. Let's just wait for price to tap into it, and then from there we check 30 minutes, maybe we see another break of structure or not. So right now you can see that price tap into this particular order block. Can you see? So order block. So let's just go down to like 10 minutes probably to see, maybe you can see another strong order block to use. So on 10 minutes time frame right now, you can see that price end up breaking this particular high. So what's responsible for this break of structure here on 10 minutes? Let's find out the order block that is responsible for this break of structure. We have what, a break of structure here. What's responsible for this break of structure is this particular order block. Does this moment end up breaking any other low here? Any other high, sorry, I mean? No, it's only break this particular high. It's not the moment that broke this high here, this candle high here. So it's not the moment. So this order block is not what, a strong order block. We are going to like to be using the order block below it. You can see that some traders are going to like to tell you that you are going to make use of this order block because of imbalance or liquidity void that is there. No, price is not going to respect anything here. You understand? Price is going to respect the order block below it, because this order block is not what, a real order block. It's in liquidity. So you're going to like to make use of the order block below it. Let me just draw it out. This one order block here, so you're going to like to make use of order block below it here. So you're going to set our entry stop loss, because we'll be sure that price is going to tap out this one, because it's not what, a strong order block. Price is going to tap it out as liquidity. That is why some traders are going to say price end up hitting my take profit, my stop loss, and then go to my direction, just because they couldn't understand or identify a real order block in the market. So let me just play it and then see if price eventually come back. Okay, price still moving, and just wait for it. I think price already giving on a bullish. Okay, price coming down. It's like price not coming back to our entry, but let's just wait a little bit. You can see that price eventually price eventually came back to our entry. Can you see? Let me show you guys something there. So this is the low we are expecting price to take out, and then after this, price is going to respect this particular order block below it. Let's check it out. You can see that price eventually tap out that particular low. Can you see? It tap out that low and then enter into what, our order block. So if you have to like to set what our entry here, let's just check the ratio. You set what's your entry, and then you set your entry, and then set your stop loss there, and also your take profit. I think I've marked out the place we're going to set our take profit out. Okay, if you end up setting our take profit here, how many ratio? You can see this one ratio 65. Just imagine you rescue 1% of our account and then make it 65% in return. So let's just play it out and then see, baby, price actually reach our take profits. So let me just play it. Let me go to 1 hour time frame so it can be fast. 1 hour time frame. This is where our take profit is gonna be. Then I'm just play it out. You can see that price eventually tap into what, our take profit, just because you understand how to identify real order block in the market. And then also you can be going down to lower time frame to find a particular entry if you want to increase your risk to reward ratio. I made a video on this. I'm going to leave the video link in the description, so after this video you can just check it out on top down analysis. You can see that price end up getting to this particular high. Let me show you guys something. You can see that when price tap into our entry, price did what? Price come all the way down to do what? Let me show you something what price came to do. just like to elaborate on how to identify real order block. So let's just go back to 10 minutes time frame. That's where you got this particular entry. 10 minutes time frame. Let me reduce this. Let me go down to like 3 minutes time frame. 3 minutes time frame. Oh, sorry, it's 3 months. 3 minutes time frame. So let's go down to 3 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can identify a real order block inside this particular entry, just like to increase your risk to reward ratio. This one ratio 65. Let's see if you're using 3 minutes to enter into this particular trade, maybe you are going to increase our risk to reward. So on 3 minutes time frame, let me just move this a little bit. So on 3 minutes time frame right now, you can see that price end up breaking this particular high. Can you see what broke this high is this movement? Does this movement end up breaking this next high? No, it end up, let me show you guys. It's not the movement that end up breaking this particular high. Can you see? It end up breaking only this particular high. So this order block here is not what a real order block. And then if you check above the order block, we have what a fair value gap. So don't trust this particular fair value gap because it not break any particular high. It only broke one. So any order block that end up breaking one particular high, don't trust the order block. Use the order block below it. So on 3 minutes time frame right now, if you have to like to use order block, you're going to like to make use of this particular order block on 3 minutes. So that is the reason why you can see the price come all the way down to tap into this particular order block. If you have to like to set our entry using this 3 minutes order block, let's just check out the risk to reward, only the risk to reward ratio. So let me set it the same place I said. This is previous take profit. Let's check the risk to reward ratio. So this is where our take profit is. So check the risk to reward ratio. You can see 1 ratio 85. 1 ratio 85. Just imagine you risking 1% of your account, making 85% a return. So that's just for that. If you understand how to identify real order block, is a win-win for you. You understand? And then if you understand how to go down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry, it's a win-win for you. So if you're here to like this video right now. And then if you're here to subscribe right now. And also you can comment in the comment section. Let me just know your opinion about all this. So let's move on to the next pair. This gold right now, and then we're on 4-hour time frame. So we're going to be doing the summary of what I'll be talking about, since how to identify a real order block. And then you can see that right here, price end up breaking this particular high. Is this particular movement that broke this high, also this high and this high. So this order block here is what a strong order block. So you're not going to like to be using the order block below it, because this movement end up breaking, I think, 3 highs or 4. So that is just for that. So let me just draw it out and then see if price eventually respect this particular order block. And then you can see that price going to like to close all this void there. Can you see how what's void there? So price goes like to play it out. So let's just check if price eventually come back to this particular order block. So we can set what our entry is in this order block. Let's set entry. You can also go down to lower time frame, but I just set entry and then set our stop loss there. So let's just play it out and then see. So we're going to set our take profit. So we're going to set our take profit using this previous side, because price going what on a bullish direction on higher time frame. Okay, I say price going what on a bullish direction, higher low, then higher high, then higher low, then higher high, then higher low. So we expected price to go what to go above this previous high. So we expected price to go above this previous high. So you can set our take profit there. And then you can see this 1 ratio what 1 ratio 18. So let's just play it out and then see how it goes. So you can see that price tap into what our entry and then start going what on a bullish direction. So you can also go down to lower time frame to find a perfect entry to increase your risk to reward ratio. Can you see that price eventually tap into what our take profit, and the price still continue what is bullish direction. Can you see? Price tap it towards our take profit. So let me show you guys something here, just like to do the summary of what I'll be talking about. What actually broke this high here? Can you see this high? Let me reduce this. What actually broke this high here? I mean this particular high. Let me use this. This high here. What actually broke this high? Can you see? It's not this particular moment that broke this high. It's this moment here. I don't know, maybe you can. Okay, I think you guys can see this one clearly. So what actually broke this high is not this particular moment, it's this particular moment that broke this high, and then this moment ended up breaking only one particular high, which is this one. It's not the moment that broke this particular high. So this other block is not what a strong order block. We're going to like to be using the other block below it. So this is the other block you're going to like to be using. Consider that price come all the way down to respect this particular order block here. So if you also like to check the ratio of this, let me just check. Let's check the ratio. So the first one ended up giving us like a 1:18, and then let's check this one. If you set the take profit in the same place, okay, I'm gonna set the take profit here. So this one ratio 33. Just imagine you risk 1% and they make it 33% in just one single trade. So that is everything you need to know about how to identify a real order block. Is so simple. Once you see a price end up breaking into a particular high, you can make use of what the candle responsible for it, which is the order block that end up breaking too high. So you're going to use the order block that's responsible for it. But if price end up breaking only one particular high, don't use the order block, use the one below it. If you check here, you can see that price end up breaking only this particular high, and then the order block that is responsible for it is this particular order block. So you're not going to use this particular order block, you're going to use the one below it. You can see that price eventually come all the way down to tap it out, to tap into our entry, and then start being what on our direction. And also if you can check here, if you miss this entry, you can also get another entry here. You can see that this bullish movement, this bullish movement, let me remove this. This bullish movement, it end up breaking this particular high and also this particular high. Can you see that is the reason why price come all the way down to tap into this particular order block and then start going what on the bullish direction. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and then I'm going to be dropping the link to top-down analysis, analyze it from higher time frame to lower time frame, set your entry using lower time frame, just like to increase your risk to reward ratio. And then if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe right now and then like this video. See you in my next video.